am Shlok and you're watching Learn with Shlok. So today we are going to solve the exercise 1.2 on Roman numerals and international numerals. So we are in the previous videos we have learned about international and Roman numerals, and we have also solved the exercise 1.1. So if you haven't seen that videos, you can see them. Okay, so now getting to the exercise 1.2, the first question given to us is write the number 230469 using Devanagari numerals. So first let's write them in Devanagari. So 2 is written in Devanagari as this, 3 is written as this, then there is 0 0 as it is, 4 is written like this, 6 is written like this, and 9 is written like this. So in which option can you see this number? In the third option. So now if you aren't able to do this in Devanagari numerals, what you can do, you can see the options. Here in this option you can see that all these are Devanagari, but this is not, so this is a wrong option. Then here all these are Devanagari, but this is wrong. This is an international numeral, so this is also wrong. Then here you can see that everything is Devanagari and the values are the same, so this is the right option. Likewise you have to solve in exam, and you can also do this in your mind. You don't have to write it up, so you can save your time. So now let's look at the second question. So second question tells us write the number 416578 using international numerals. Now they have given the opposite. Here we have to write international in Devanagari. Here they have given Devanagari and we have to write in international. So now this is written as 4. This is written as 4, 1. This is written as 6. This is written as 5. This is written as 7, and this is written as 8. Let's again check the values. And yes, now in which option can you see this answer? You can see it in this option, 4 1 6 5 7 8. So now here also you can check the options before you go. Okay, so now that we have solved the second question, and before going to the third question, I want to tell you that I am writing it down for you like this. You should do this in your mind so you can save the time. Now the third question, how many hours after 11 or xi until will the clock show IV, which is 4. So xi is 11, so they are asking how much hours will it require to go to 4. So if you not know how many hours, you cannot directly calculate. You can do it like this. After 1 hour what will be 12, after 1 hour then will be 1, after 1 hour there will be 2, after 1 hour there will be 3, and after that 1 hour there will be 4. So how many hours we have? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So it requires 5 hours from 11 to go to 4. So 5 is written as V, so second option is the right. But you should know how to solve this using your mind. You can directly do like 11 12 like that. Okay, 12 is 1 hour, 1 is 2, 2 is 3, and 3 is 4, and 4 is 5. So that directly you should do, so you can save your time. So now the fourth question. So fourth question tells us xi plus ix is equal to what? So you have to find the values first. Xi is what? 11 plus sign, ix is what? 9. 11 plus 9 we all know. We have done addition from KG classes. 11 plus 9 is what? 20. And 20 is written as, in Roman numerals how is 20 written? It is written as x and x. So third option is the right option. Okay. So now here also you can do this in your mind. I am writing it down for you. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. But if you can understand that this is 11, this is 9. So 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 is written as xx. You directly click on xx. Okay. So the fifth question. So the fifth question given to us is xiv plus c minus xxi plus vii. So here many boys again get confused. In the last video we discussed something called BODMAS. Let me write it down for you. BODMAS or BODMAS, whatever you like to call it. So here what they tell us, this is the sequence that we have to follow, in which sequence we have to solve the questions. So first we have to solve brackets, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So first you have to do addition before subtraction. What people do, they first do subtraction then do addition. No, that's wrong. You have to do addition first. So first you have to solve this and this, then you can do the subtraction. Okay. Now first find the values. xiv is what? 14 plus what? c 100 minus xxi is 21 plus vii means 7. 21 plus 7 is 28. We all know that. We can do addition simply in your mind. And 14 plus 100 is what? 100 and 114. So now what you have to do, 114 minus 28 is what? Now it is 86. I did it in my mind. If you can do it in your mind, do it. If you can't, do the normal subtraction part, but you should learn to do it in your mind so you can solve fastly. So therefore fourth option is the right option, and therefore we have solved 5 questions of exercise 1.2. So let's look at the next questions. So before going to the next questions, I did a little mistake over here. So what they have given, minus 21 plus 7. I took 21 plus 7. I forgot about the minus sign. Okay, so you have to not do 21 plus 7. You have to do minus 21 plus 7. And minus 21 plus 7 is what? It is 14. Because minus, when minus sign comes, it changes. It becomes not 21 plus 7. It becomes 21 minus 7, which is equal to 14. And you have to put the minus sign. So our question becomes 114 minus 14, which is equal to what? 100. And where is 100? It is in the second option. Therefore second option is the right option. So now that we have solved the 5th questions, we'll look at the next question. So the next question, the 6th one, is m minus d divided by l is equal to what? So first we have to find the values of these numerals. So m is what? 1000. 1000 minus d is what? 500 divided by l is what? 50. So here also I am again telling you the BODMAS rule. So BODMAS rule what tells us? We have to do first division before multiplication. Multiplication you always do in the last. So first do division. So 500 divided by 50. If you can't do directly, do by the normal method, but I can do directly, so I am doing directly. So if you divide this, the 0 and 0 will be cut, and 50 divided by 5 is what? 10. So 1000 minus 10 is what it becomes. So 1000 minus 10 is what? 990. So can you see 990 over here? Fourth option is the right answer. So you should do directly this in your mind. So now the 7th question, write C, D, L, M in descending order. So C, D, L, M is the Roman numerals. We first convert this to normal numerals. I can do this in Roman numerals, but for your understanding I am converting this to international numerals. C is what? 100, D is what? 500, L is what? 50, and 1000 is, M is what? 1000. So now descending order what means? Bigger to smaller. So which is the bigger number over here? 1000. Then which is the next bigger number? It is 500, then 100, and then at last 50. So the answer that we got is 1500, 100, and then 50. 1000 is what? M, 500 is D, 100 it was C, and L, 50 is what? L. M, D, C, L. In which option can you see M, D, C, L? In the first option. Therefore the first option is the right option. So now let's look at the 8th question. So 8th question is xxx ix plus v triple I. Okay. So xxx means 30 and this is 9. So 30 plus 9, which is 39. So this number means 39 plus I is what? 8. So 39 plus 8 is what? It is equal to 47. In which option can you see 47? In the second option. Now this you should do directly in your mind, like this is 39, 39 plus 8 is 47, 47 is over here, like that. So you can save your time. Okay, I am telling you to save your time again and again, I know that, but if you save your time, then only you will get good marks in scholarship exam. Now let's look at the 9th question. Simplify MD times ML, M by L. M by D is what? 1000 by D, D means 500 times 1000 by 50 is what the question is. So now here you can cut the 0 0 out, then 5 ones and 5 twos are over here. Then you can cut this 0 0 out, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, and 0. So 2 times 20 it becomes. So 2 times 20 is equal to what? 40, and 40 in Roman numerals is written as XL. Okay, so where you can see XL? In 40th question. So the fourth question. So fourth option. So the 9th question's answer is the fourth option. So now at the last question 10, simplify D by M times C. So D is what? 500, M is what? 1000 times what we have to do? C, which is 100. So now here also you can cut this 0 out, cut this 0 out, cut this 0 out, this 0 out. So what becomes? 5 times 10. 5 times 10 is what? So here 5 times 10, so 5 times 10 is what? 50, and 50 is written as L, but here in the option they have not given 50. So what do you mean? We got the wrong answer? No, they have given just that in a different form. Here you can see C minus L. C means what? 100. This L means what? 50. So minus 50. 100 minus 50 is what? 50. See, they have given just in a different form, so to trick us, to fool us, and that we think that our answer is wrong and we kept on solving again and again. Don't do that mistakes. First see the options also. So here the third option is the right option, and therefore we have solved all the questions in exercise 1.2. So if you guys like my video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your friends so they can also be helped. And I'll take my leave by saying goodbye.